Hi, my name's John Martin. I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP, chartered IT professional with the British Computing Society, and I've got over a decade of experience working with the Microsoft Data Platform, both on premises and in the cloud. I even spent some time working for Microsoft as a Premier Field Engineer here in Europe. I'm excited to be joining you this August for the 5th edition of Data Platform Summit, Asia's largest SQL Server and Data Platform conference. The reason I'm so excited, on Wednesday the 21st of August, I'm going to be delivering a pre-con session on how to deploy and manage your Microsoft SQL Server data platform with PowerShell and DSC, which is desired state configuration. We'll be looking at how you can take a DevOps mindset and adopt the DevOps culture when it comes to building and managing your SQL Server estates, whether it's 1 server, 10 servers, 100 servers, 1,000 or more. DSC and PowerShell will help you easily configure and manage these platforms with minimal overhead. The reason this happens is because we're defining it as code and getting the system to do all the work for us. We'll be covering how to define these configurations for installing SQL Server, but also for configuring it. We'll be looking at how you can push these configurations, but also how you can configure all of your servers to check in, pull configurations down, and remediate misconfiguration themselves without input from you, all of which can be reported on. That'll be whether it's on premises or in the cloud. We'll be looking at how we can work with Azure Automation as well, which has got DSC capabilities to manage SQL Server virtual machines on premises, in Microsoft's Azure cloud, or in Amazon or Google's cloud, wherever they may be. So I hope you'll join me on Wednesday, 21st of August, to come and learn how to deploy and manage your Microsoft SQL Server data platform, wherever it may be, at Asia's largest data platform conference, Data Platform Summit. Thank you very much.